welcome back to our science class. So again, this is teacher and your science teacher. By the way, we are now in unit number 2, lesson number 1. So for this entire unit, we will be talking about mixtures. Again, we will be talking about different mixtures. Okay, let's talk about mixtures. What do you mean by mixtures? From the root word mix. From the root word mix. When we say mixture, it means it contains two or more substances. Okay? Two or more substances. So it's called mixtures. Okay? Like for example, when we have the sugar, we have the water, and we have the lemon. When we combine them together, it's called already a mixture, right? So this one is one substance, this one is also one, and this is also one. So if we will combine these three, so it will be like this. It will be like lemon juice, okay? So that is mixture. Okay, combining two or more substances. So we have two types of mixture. Again, we have two different types of mixtures. We have what we call the heterogeneous, again, heterogeneous mixture, and we have also the homogeneous mixture. Can you say it with me? Heterogeneous mixture, and we have the homogeneous mixture. All right. When we see heterogeneous mixture, meaning like for example the sand plus the water, so equals, it will be like this. So meaning it will not be dissolved in the water. When we say homogeneous mixture, again, homogeneous mixture meaning sugar plus water, meaning it will become a syrup, but they will blend to each other. So that is homogeneous. Homogeneous. Anyway, we will be discussing them later on one by one. Okay, let's say heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. One more time. Heterogeneous. When we say heterogeneous, meaning they are not uniform in appearance. Again, this mixture is not in uniform. So these are the example of a heterogeneous mixture. Okay, we have the chocolate chip cookies, we have the pizza, we have the soda with ice, we have the sandwich, we have the toast salad, meaning they are not uniform in appearance. Like you can still identify the cookies and the chips. You can also identify the soda and the ice cubes. So these are heterogeneous mixtures. So we have also the homogeneous mixture. When we say homogeneous, meaning it's uniform in appearance. Uniform in appearance, meaning the substance mix very well. So like for example, homogeneous mixture examples, we have the coffee, the water and the coffee, we have the wine, so they are all red. We have the air, we have the grass, we have the steel, natural gas, we have the vinegar, we have the blood, meaning they are uniform in color. Okay, you cannot see anything. Okay, uniform, so that is homogeneous mixture. Okay, knowing mixtures. Okay, let's have an example. We have the fish sauce. Fish sauce. What do you think is the component of the fish sauce? Example, we have the water, we have the salt, we have the fish, and we have the sugar. Okay, again, so these are some components of a fish sauce. So what do you think, or what type of mixture is this one, the fish sauce. Is it heterogeneous or homogeneous? Alright, if your answer is homogeneous, then you are right. Because water, salt, fish, and sugar, they mix well. So they are in uniform. Okay. How about the pizza? Pizza. Okay, what are some components of the pizza? We have the flour, we have the cheese, we have the meat, and sometimes we have the onion. So for this food, we have the pizza. What do you think the mixture? Is it a heterogeneous or homogeneous? Alright, if your answer is heterogeneous, then you're right. Because pizzas, it's not in uniform in size. Also, the mixture is not in uniform. Okay, so that is heterogeneous. How about the soda with ice? The soda with ice. Okay, we have the soda, we have the ice. So if the soda with ice, so it's called what? Yes, if your answer is heterogeneous, then you're right. Heterogeneous, because the ice and the water, you can see the difference. They are not in uniform. So meaning it's called heterogeneous. And now let's have the ketchup. Ketchup. So the components are tomato. We have also the sugar. Sometimes they add water, and also we have spices. So what do you think the types of mixtures the ketchup does? The ketchup have. Is it heterogeneous or homogeneous? Yes, it's homogeneous because the spices, the tomato, the sugar, they blend very well or they are in uniform. So your answer is correct, homogeneous. How about the noodles? We have the noodles, we have the broccoli, and also we have some meat. Okay, what kind of mixture do you see in these noodles? Yes, they are heterogeneous, meaning they are not in uniform. Okay, so this one is a heterogeneous mixture. How about the orange juice? Okay, we have the water, we have the orange. So what do you call the mixtures have the orange juice? Yes, they are homogeneous mixture. Very good. Okay, we also sometimes add sugar in our orange juice. Okay, to wrap up everything, so this is our lesson for today. So we talk about the heterogeneous mixture and we have the homogeneous mixture, which is the two types of mixture. Okay, when you say heterogeneous, meaning the different substances doesn't mix well or blend well, so meaning they are not in uniform. So when we say homogeneous, meaning most of the or all of the substance that you mix, meaning they mix together and they blend together, or they are in uniform. So meaning it's a homogeneous mixture. And now for your worksheet, it's very, so this would be your worksheet, and then all you have to do is to write the type of mixture, if it is heterogeneous or a homogeneous mixture. Like for number 1, we have the dishwashing soap. Number 2, we have the cake. 3, we have the sand and shells. We have the lemonade with ice. We have the chicks mix. We have the Kool-Aid. We have the trail mix. We have the milk. We have the syrup. We have the coins. We have the coffee. We have the water and the soil. So again, you may write the correct answer on the space provided, and then you can write it in your notebook or any paper. Okay, so if you're done answering this one, you may send it in our line group or you can send it in me personally so I can check your work. Okay, And so that is the end of our class for today about the types of mixture. And I hope you learned something new today. And take care, everyone, and see you next time.